Chinese researcher is claiming to have just passed a huge milestone in human progress, for better or worse. He Jiankui, or JK, said that he has just made the world's first genetically edited babies, and another one could be on the way. JK claims that he has altered the DNA of embryos for 7 couples during fertility treatments in order to make the embryos resistant to HIV and the AIDS virus. 2 of those embryos were twin girls, and JK claims they were just successfully delivered, making them the first human babies ever to be born with genes edited by the powerful CRISPR tool. What's more, he says that another gene-edited pregnancy is now underway. No one else has confirmed his claims, and he's keeping details of his experiment under wraps because the work is highly controversial. In fact, this kind of DNA alteration is actually banned here in the US and in many other countries because we just don't know that much about it. Any changes to DNA that are made to embryos can be inherited, actually passed down to future generations, which could alter other genes in ways we just don't know about yet. Meaning babies born with DNA that is altered to resist HIV could also end up with all sorts of other unknown gene mutations. So many scientists are extremely disturbed by JK's work, including one of the inventors of the CRISPR tool, and others deeply entrenched in the field. David Liu from the Broad Institute called the work an appalling example of what not to do about a promising technology that has great potential to benefit society, and that he hopes it never happens again. These are people who invented the technology, mind you. Other scientists are angry because in their minds, such an irresponsible rogue experiment only makes gene editing more controversial, setting research back rather than moving it forward. Especially as the CRISPR tool is so powerful and offers a pretty easy way for us to edit genes. It's not something to play around with lightly. For his part, JK says he felt it was his responsibility to make this huge milestone happen, and it'll be up to society to decide what to do next. So, where gene editing goes in the future, no one knows. But one thing's for sure, we have moved far, far away from the Garden of Eden, and we're clearly hell-bent on eating that forbidden apple of knowledge to its very core.